Something great about doing a car from the chassis up is we were able to take this, have it sandblasted, stripped, and powder coated, along with all of the different chassis pieces that go along with it. And you can see in one of our earlier episodes how that process happened. What happens is sometimes with a chassis that is in a frame that is intricate as this, even with blasting it and powder coating it, there are some times where you get little parts that don't get coated. This is kind of a chassis paint, and it comes with a hose, and what we've done is we've just put a nice piece of like steel rod, or you can use a hanger or heavy gauge steel wire. It gives it a little rigidity. What's great is then you can go into the chassis where you might not have gotten the powder coating, and this will spray and clean that up, and you can do it. I like to put it as far as possible. Take it and then drag it back. And this will take care of those little areas you might not ever see, but will help take care of any rust situations.